Hello my dear little ones, welcome back to our EVS class. Today we are going to start our fourth chapter, Hygiene, our Strength. Dear children, have you heard about the word hygiene? It's a practice of maintaining good health. So maintaining good health is our strength. In your textbook of page number 48 and 49, we can see two pictures. What do you see in this picture? Yes, it's a picture of two villages. What is the specialty of the first village in the picture? Yes, it is very clean. Then what about in the second picture? Yes, in second picture, the village is not clean. The second picture that you seen in your textbook is similar to these pictures, right? So many wastes are there in this village. So it's a very likely place to mosquitoes, rats and flies. And the first picture that you seen in your textbook is like this. It's a very clean village. Okay, so next is a question for you. It is given in your textbook of page number 49. Which of these villages do you prefer to live in? Tell me children, which village do you prefer to live? First or the second? Yes, first village, right? Why you choose this one? We all prefer the first village that you seen in your textbook because to live healthily, our surroundings should be kept clean always. Mosquitoes, flies and rats live in places that are not clean and they spread different kinds of diseases. So, to live healthily, our surroundings should be kept clean always. Okay dears, did you understand? Dear children, do you know this creature? What is it? Yes, this is mosquito. Now we know that mosquitoes lay eggs in dirty places, especially in stagnant water. Did you know what is stagnant water? Okay, teacher will tell you. Stagnant water means water which is not flowing. So, these mosquitoes lay eggs and multiply in stagnant water, that is water which is not flowing. In this picture, you can see the eggs of mosquitoes. It takes 8 days for the eggs to hatch and grow into a fully mosquito. And this blood-sucking mosquito spread severe diseases like malaria, dengue fever and chikungunya. Okay my dears, did you understand about mosquitoes? Can you identify this creature? Yes, this is housefly. It is a small insect that we can see in our surroundings. They are mainly seen in polluted areas and on decayed substances, and these flies may sit on food when it is kept open. They spread diseases like dysentery and typhoid. So, in order to avoid these diseases, we have to keep food always as closed. Another creature given in your textbook is also familiar to you. What is it? Yes, it is rat. Mostly these rats are seen in holes and on roofs, and they came to kitchen and in storeroom for searching their food. While searching food, its excreta falls on these food articles. Excreta means waste matter discharged from the body, that is called excreta. The excreta may fall on these food articles, spreads different types of diseases. Rat fever and plague are the diseases which spread by rats' excreta. The creatures like mosquito, housefly, rat, etc. are the creatures that are visible to our eyes, and these organisms causes several diseases. So we have to avoid situations where such organisms multiply. What can we do to avoid these situations? Let's discuss. Do not allow waste materials to accumulate. Avoid water stagnation. We know that mosquitoes lay eggs in stagnant water and multiply. So we have to avoid such situation. We have to observe personal hygiene. If everyone observes personal hygiene, we can avoid so many diseases. So observing personal hygiene is very important. Then keep houses, schools, public places, etc. clean always. Then the last one, the food and water we take must be kept clean. If we follow all these steps, we can avoid the multiplication of disease-causing organisms like mosquito, rat, housefly, etc. Okay, my dear children, did you understand? So today we started our 4th chapter, Hygiene Our Strength, and we discussed about the disease-causing organisms like mosquito, housefly and rat. I hope all of you understand our today's topic very well. See you in the next class. Thank you.